welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? I hope all of you are safe and sound. In today's video we are going to do another set of DIYs. For this we are going to use my favorite thing in the whole world are glass bottles. So let's get started. Alright, so I had these really cute glass bottles from Cafe Coffee Day. So as you can see, they have like a wide mouth and their glass quality is very thick, so they are very great for making DIYs. So I have DIYed 3 bottles at the moment, and I have selected different kind of themes for them. One is more Indian, one is more contemporary, and one is more, I don't know, it's a fusion of both, I guess. So let's start with the first bottle. Now for the first bottle I have used wrapping paper. So you can see this is a floral wrapping paper, and I happen to have this as a golden wrapping paper. And yeah, so I created this design. It covers the Cafe Coffee Day logo, and then I put another golden on the rim as well. You can leave the bottle like this. You don't have to put beads inside, it's not a must. Or you can put the beads inside like I have. And what it does is that you can put this and you can just play with it as well, I guess, or just keep it like a decor item. Now an add-on to this is definitely putting a flower in it. It just adds a little bit more character to the bottle, or you can just, you know, keep it like it is. The second bottle is the one that I did for the more Indian style, and this has rope in it. So the rope that you see right here, it is present on the insides of your water purifier. So it's actually the filter that goes in the water purifier. It's a very strong rope, so you don't have to only use it for DIYs, you can use it for actually quite strong work. This rope, the best part is that it already has a tint. You can see it's from the iron deposits, so it was perfect for creating this DIY. So I rolled the whole bottle in this rope, and then I had these remaining from a door hanging, so I just put them in, and this is a bead. So this is it's a little difficult than a previous one, because you have to make sure that the rope is not sliding as you are wrapping the bottle in it. But take your time and do this DIY, it's worth the wait. Again, with this you can put a flower if you want, or you can just keep it as it is. The last one is actually my favorite of these 3 because it's so easy to make. So for this you take the bottle and then you use marbles. So hit in the comment section if you're from the 90s. I literally used to play with these marbles. Nowadays I don't know if anyone plays with them, but definitely they make a really great DIY item. So I got these marbles in like a jar, I think, or they come in like a net pack, and it was very inexpensive. I think it was like 38 for one bag of marbles, and then I just put them inside, and this is the DIY. So you can keep it like this so that your Cafe Coffee Day logo does not show. Again, you can put a flower in this so that it just adds something little extra to the DIY, or you can just keep it as it is. A quick tip, you can see that I've used marbles here and I have used beads here, so they do collect dust. So what you can do is you can take out the marbles and the beads, and you can just clean them in a little bit of shampoo or hand wash the water, and then you can just dry them and put them back. For this one you can use like a hard brush, and you can just brush and the dust comes off. So these are my 3 DIYs. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more videos related to DIY and home decor. You can also see I've recently changed the name of my channel. Let me know in the comment section, do you like it or not, or and have a great